Morning, folks. Here on this Good Friday. Well, I don't know if it's Good Friday, but either way, we're here to do a planter bed. The resident, as you can see, has already pulled out all of the existing shrubs that were in here. They were piled up right here, but now we're here to pull up all the old liner, put some, fix the gravel, just to use that for some aeration, put new liner down, and as you can see behind us on the trailer, we're going to install some red mulch for these guys today. So stay tuned. It's going to be a wet one, so be prepared to get wet. Alright guys, well, rain's coming and going. You can see I'm going to show you right here, right behind us. I'm going to show you just how much rain is put out in just a few minutes. Y'all check that out. Probably about 3 or 4 inches of rain there already. We're all soaked. Drawers are wet. It's an unhappy day, but got to get it done. We're dedicated to the person. As you can see right over here in this area, y'all can see the clouds right back in here. Big storm rolling in on the backside. Some thunder and stuff crackling a minute ago. Hopefully we don't get caught up in the storm or anything like that, because of course we'll have to cancel the day and we'll have to push it to one day this weekend or something like that. But wind's getting up, so we're a little worried about that. So just hang tight and stuff, and we'll see where it's going to go. Folks, I don't know if you can see this little bit of a steam swirl, whatever this is right here. You can see the flag over there. Wind's getting up pretty good, so we'll just wait this out and see what happens. All right, folks, so we're gonna get back at it. It miraculously just instantly stopped raining. It's like it never even rained out here almost. It's like just a partly cloudy day. So as you can see behind us, we've got this working in. We're going to start putting the edges back in. We're going to use the existing ones that the resident has. Then we're going to put some new liner and stuff down, get the mulch in this hopefully today. If the rain will hold off, you know, if we don't have any more hurricanes or monsoons come through here in the middle of Tennessee, then we'll be okay. So let's get to it.
It's disgusting.
That's like poop water. All right, folks, so we've had a challenging day. Had all seasons today: cold, sunshine, rain, and I'm surprised we didn't see no damn snow. But anyway, we got all this done for this guy. Like I said, hopefully this is pleasing and stuff. There's a lot that we couldn't do with the cleanup and stuff. There's a lot of peak gravel and stuff that got pulled out from prior extraction. We could clean that up, but in the budget wise, you know, we just have to do with what we got. But as you can see right here, some nice red mulch laid down. Got all the edges and stuff fixed now. You can actually see them above ground. They're about half and half. They're about 4 inches in the ground, 4 inches above the ground. See there? All the mulch is in. This looks like an easy job, but folks, I'll tell you, this one was a real pain in the ass, but we got it done. So like I said, we're on to the next one. We'll see you there. Like I said, hit us up, lucky7landscaping.com, lucky7 lawn landscaping and cleaning services on Facebook, lucky7 landscaping on Instagram. Feel free to comment below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share, tell a friend, send our name on. Let people know if you're local. Like I said, let people know. So we'll see you guys on the next video.